Creek Villa. Walk in, nice little entryway. Little artwork on the wall. And you go in, and all the studios have a little kitchenette. So there's microwave, coffee pot, fridge, sink, toaster. It also comes with dishes and cups, paper and regular. So if you want to use them, you can. It doesn't come with, you can't make a full meal obviously, but you can do little odds and ends as you want to. Okay, now here's the room, the bedroom. So nice dresser here, deep drawers, thermostat here to keep the AC on. And noticing in this room, some of the other Disney resorts we've been to recently, they do have a little bit of a moisture because of all the humidity, but I don't smell anything here. It's nice and dry and fresh smelling. So here's the TV, and you have a nice table here. I believe that's a pull-down bed there. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting, but that is a drop-down bed if you have a fifth person. Door for connecting room. Here is our, let's see, we have a nice view of the paths outside. It's still raining, yucky out, but nice view. The water is on the other side of that area where you can take the boats to Magic Kingdom. And there's two little chairs. I'm sure I'll be sitting out there. So here is the couch. This couch pulls out to a bed. There's some unique theming here with the pictures on the wall. Coffee table, end table, bed. And it has, doesn't have the USB jacks over here, but it does have plugs right by your bed. Some lighting by your bed on both sides if you need it. Nice headboard here with some of the theme. Wilderness. Coming in, this is the DVC, so it does come with some little paperwork and everything like that to welcome you home, as they always say when you're coming to Disney. So now we're heading back to the front door area. Now the kitchenette is on our right and the bathroom is on our left. So as with most Disney resorts, they have the sink separate from the toilet and shower, which is nice. This being a deluxe, it's much wider than the other resorts. A lot of the other resorts that have the separation is more narrow, so it's wider, and it's also in the front of the room. As more of the moderate hotels, it's always in the back because you only have the front entrance. But anyway, so here, let's see. Here's the closet. There's extra pillow, blanket right there, hangers, lots of space. Some luggage racks, a broom, which is good. Pack and play included. So that's something if you're traveling with little ones, we've grown out of that phase. But it is right here. We usually have to request it when we were at that point. There also is an iron here. Ironing board as well. I like the broom because we have needed brooms before in the past and haven't had it. So nice lighting with the theme. Nice frame here. You have your sink, your toiletries. So these are the Disney resorts, the H2O line. There's soap and body lotion for here. Underneath here you have garbage, recycling, just some drawers, I'm sure a hair dryer. Yep, there's the hair dryer in here. What's this one? Nothing. So I guess you can store stuff. But that's actually really good because a lot of times when you're at hotels, resorts, I find with all my toiletries and everything, everything's all over the counters and it drives me crazy. So having that drawer for storage is huge, and then you can have a little bit more counter space for everybody since everybody's sharing the area. It's nice to have that. So here's the room with the toilet and the shower. So this is a quite large, it's not really that large, but it's compared to like a moderate, it is a little bit bigger. The door swings out, so I think that's why it may seem bigger. Usually it goes in. So you have the toilet, of course. It looks like you have your towels here. backup paper products. The shower is just your basic shower with a nice tile and the theming. Towels here, nice little, I don't know what that is, mouse on the wall. And then they do provide you with the small sizes of the products. So you have your shampoo, your conditioner, body wash, and soap. A lot of the hotels, the non-deluxes now, are not offering the small bottles. They're offering actually, they have 3 bottles or 4 that you can pump out, so you don't get the sample size. So it seems like in the deluxe that they're still continuing to offer the sample size, which I personally prefer, but I know it's an environmental thing to conserve. So here we are back at the front door. Now you have a nice little entryway area. Like I said, when we came in, it's a good place to store your luggage. There's a little nook here. The door is at an angle, so it's a little bit nicer. And you have a nice little entryway area here where you can put your shoes and everything. You get a nice view out to whatever your view is. If you are on the higher floor, we are actually on the ground floor. So I hope you enjoyed the tour.